All Save, the hard discounter, opened in the Philippines in 2021 and has announced the opening of its 200th store. All Save focuses on basic food, household, and personal care products, promising to offer the lowest possible price every day. One of the recipes for success as a discounter is low prices, which can be achieved through own store brands with products sourced from the lowest cost producers worldwide. Provides you with an unconditional return guarantee. If you are not satisfied with any of the products, simply return it to any of their stores for a full refund, no questions asked. No receipt or explanation are needed for a refund. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.